In front of me is VIVO V40 SE, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus at the bottom in the middle and set up an hour. When you finish, hit repeat and tap on days of the week to set them up. Then choose OK, hit alarm sound, and pick one of those options. You can choose Add New at the top to pick any song from your device. You can log in into Spotify to use music from it, or hit one of those device sounds. Go back, click on the switcher next to vibrate to turn it off or on, select label and name it however you want to. Hit OK, tap on Remind Later, and pick one of the available options by clicking on a perfect one. Then use this check mark at the top right corner to save your alarm. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To switch it off or on, use this switcher. To make some changes, click on it, change whatever you want to, and click on the check mark. And to get rid of it, hold it, click Delete, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!